So project management has always been relatively difficult for us because, again, we're using Excel, we're using this thing called Sage 300. So just trying to view your costs, trying to view your purchase orders and see things is extremely difficult. I needed to pull that data into Quickbase is to be able to have a lot more interactability with it. And that's where the integration to Sage 300 plays an effect. I'm going to focus specifically into GSA Athens. This is the project record for that GSA Athens. You're going to have your summary. You're going to have some actionable buttons over here, a little more summary, and then more data as it goes through. About adding Sage into there. Remember, we just did an opportunity and we created that. Once you mark it as awarded, that opportunity becomes a budget, and that budget gets populated directly into your project, and that's this budgeted cost. Well, Sage 300 data is your actual cost, and that's what comes into here. So how did we integrate that? So Sage 300 operates on a SQL database. So this is actual Sage data. Now, as you go down, it gets more. So what are we pulling from Sage? So if you recall here, I had these metrics, how I'm doing. So right now I'm pulling in purchase orders, hours, and costs. So if I go back to my project, so now in one screen, we're seeing what was our estimation, and we can get full detail into that, as well as what's going on with our costs, and we get full detail into that as well. So these are actual records. So this is each financial transaction that occurs is populated into Quickbase. I can see the budgeted labor, the actual labor. I can get now a nice actual committed compared to what we're projecting to be. And then the total amount that's actually been applied in purchase orders. I do some summary tables that say, hey, this is our expected revenue, actual revenue, cash received. So some of the things that's important to a project manager, it gives them visibility into things they never had before.